we already recorded our first video. We already edited it, well, at least in a power that we could edit it, and now we will upload this video on YouTube. So this will be your official first video uploaded on YouTube. I'm gonna show you how you can actually do it. Of course, probably you can figure it out yourself, but we're just gonna go through some things that is very important and essential to know while uploading a YouTube video. So when you go to your just YouTube channel, just regular YouTube channel, you can upload your video through two things. You can upload just video through your YouTube channel, basically homepage, or you can go to a, let's say, YouTube Studio. I'm gonna press this open in a new tab. As you can see, we opened it in a new tab. You can upload it from two different places. Both of them will act exactly the same, so it doesn't matter where you will upload it from. So in this case, we're gonna upload it from the regular YouTube homepage. All you need to do is just go and press this camera button with a plus. You're gonna press this one and press upload video. That's all you need to do. Right now, we're gonna choose just a random video to upload, and we're just gonna upload the video, and I will show you how it's actually done. To do so, all you need to do is just press select file and select the video that you want to upload. So in this case, I'm selecting just a random video to upload, and what you will have here is, ignore this icons and these things. You can ignore this because you actually don't need this. This is all coming from the extensions that I have installed, which is called TubeVidIQ in this case and TubeBuddy in this case. Ignore all of this. So as you can see, it filled out everything for me in the description and in the title, but usually for you it will be in the title, it will be just a video name, the video file name, and in the description it will be nothing there. So what you will do in the video title is you're going to choose the title of the video. It's very simple, as simple as that. It's very simple. You're going to choose the title of the video. Don't think about this too much. It will be very important to choose titles well in the future, but in the beginning, when you're uploading your first video, it doesn't matter. Just give the title what your video is actually, like really good accurate title. It should be very accurate title, so people would just go to the title. It's as simple as that. As for the description, describe what your video is all about. Describe it in as high detail as you can. You can even put entire transcript of your videos right here. You see a lot of different things right here. I'm gonna just delete this so you would not be confused. If you want to just copy my descriptions, you just go to one of my YouTube channels and just see, but it will not be a big benefit for you. Just don't do it. It will be useless for a majority of you, so just don't do it for this one. And just describe what your video is all about. Describe it in as high detail as you can. Describe it as high detail and use the words that people can find it with. Don't focus on it too much though, because we're gonna focus on keywords a bit later in more an intermediate section, but not here. Just describe your video, as simple as that. From here, when you will upload the video, it will be generate 3 thumbnails for a video. What thumbnail is, you know what thumbnail is. It's basically the picture outside the cover of the video. You can choose any 3 stills from your video, or you can upload your thumbnail. What I highly suggest you to do is just to have any thumbnail, and usually it's better to have a custom thumbnails. We're gonna learn about thumbnails in an intermediate section because it's a bit more important, but in the beginning you can just go and create your thumbnails in canva.com, the same place where you can, what I taught you in the software place, software lecture. You just go and create your thumbnail right there. And it can be any thumbnail. Use any template that you want, and just use other YouTubers' videos as a reference, so how it should look like. That's all you need to do. Don't think about this too much. And here, ignore the playlist for now. We're gonna focus on this later. And right here, just this is like 100% mandatory. Just select if your video is made for kids or it's not made for kids. Not made for kids means that it is exclusively for kids. Like, kids are watching this. This is for the kids. That's what it means. If kids may watch it, then you will select this one. If you think that your majority of your audience is not kids, you will select not made for kids. But be truthful with that. If it's for kids, select it, because get penalized for that, and I think you'll be fined for real if you will be caught lying in this case. So just don't lie. And the same here. Restrict your videos for 18 plus or not. Do the same right here. After you'll be done here, you can press next. Even before it's finishing uploading, you can press next right here, and you can ignore this one right away. You don't need any end screens and info cards, and all you will need to do is either publish it right away. You can press it public right here, or you can select it as a private or unlisted. What's the difference between public, private, unlisted? We're gonna talk about this again later, but if you want to publish it, just select public and then publish. If you don't want it to be published, just leave it on private. We're gonna talk about scheduling later. Just don't focus it about this too much. Why I am telling you to not focus on the majority of things too much? Because this is your first video. If I would tell you everything that can be done here, if I would take you through everything and start explaining every single detail at the moment right now with your first video, it will be overwhelming to you. Trust me, it is overwhelming for everyone. For now, you need to concentrate on thing that matters for your YouTube channel, and it is your YouTube videos themselves. That first video that you will upload, that matters the most in this case. Anything else does not matter. Title and description, only thing that matters, and the thumbnail. That you can get away with whatever you want. I'm gonna teach you how to do better thumbnails later as well, so you can just go and return to this and change thumbnails later. You can change everything here anytime you want after you upload your video. Everything except the video itself. So don't focus on these things too much. You can return anytime in the future and do it again. That's why I'm telling you to not concentrate on the things that does not matter for you. So let's just move to the next one.